Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I kind of wanted to just do like a easy neutral eye look. So if you want to see what I do and how to create it and how simple it can be, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do my face off camera and then I'm gonna come back and we will get started on our easy neutral eye look. Okay, so I did my face and I just kind of wanted to do a neutral look because on my channel I have a lot of colorful looks and I don't really have too much doing neutral looks. So I thought we would do that today. So this look is going to be neutral. It's going to be a look that you can do whenever, going to work, chilling at home, going to the grocery store. So it's just going to be very easy, neutral, and pretty. So I am going to prime my eyes and I'm taking the Fenty Beauty eyelid primer. Just throw that on a little bit and I always just take my finger and rub it in. Okay, so I'm going to take the ColourPop E1 brush. It looks like this. And I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to take the third shade in the second row. So this one right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease and we're going to buff it out to the brow bone. Okay, next I'm going to take my Morphe M321 bullet crease brush and I'm going to take a little bit darker of a shade. So right above the black is this brown color and I'm going to put that into my crease in the corner and kind of blend it out using circular motions. Next, I'm going to take this shimmery brown color and we're going to put that all over our lid. Next, we're going to dip back into that brown shade. Where was it? Right above the black. And we are going to line the outer corner of our bottom lashes. I'm also going to take a fluffy brush that doesn't have any product on it and I'm going to blend the top of what we did earlier. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, my eyebrows and all that stuff, and then I will be right back to show you the finished look. Okay everybody, so I'm back and this is my super easy neutral look. You can make it even more neutral by choosing a brown mascara or like a brown eyeliner. I love my black mascara and my black eyeliner, so of course I'm gonna use it, but I mean, to make it more neutral, that is what you could do. For my lips, I just took a liquid lipstick. This is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the shade Verona. And then I took a lip gloss. This is the gloss, and it's Shane Glossin, and I just put that over top of the lipstick. So, and the way that I did my eyeshadow is you can use this technique with any color and it will look amazing. So this is my super easy neutral look that you can wear for every day. It's a natural look and I think it turned out pretty good. So if you like what you see and you made it all the way through, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your comments down below. Tell me what you think and maybe tell me your favorite products that you use to create a natural look. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up here down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.